What's good, y'all? Ty Ferguson Bay here, and in this video I'm going to be showing y'all how to add a new product to your Shopify store. Welcome to Grind Time, and this episode of Grind Time, y'all know I work through stuff behind the scenes, so I'm going to be adding a new product to our Shopify store. So you know we got the silk pillowcases. You see how I got the individual silk pillowcases here as different products. For this, the new product, I'm just going to make it one product, but I'm going to show you how to do variations. So if you want to make individual products, you can do it like this. Just don't do variations. But this one, I'll show you variations. So we're going to make a new product. In my Shopify store, I'm not at home. You may be at home right now. You can go to products. Once you go to products, you can do archives, but you just click here, go to added product. I'm going to do it quickly because this is, again, this is behind the scenes. I already have my product description written. So you're gonna write your product description, copy, all right? So some things you want to stand out, and if you want to do SEO optimized things, so SEO is search engine optimized. So search engine optimized items help people find your product when they search for it on Google. So if you have a product like I have as a 100%, pure mulberry, because we do mulberry silk products, mulberry silk bandana. But people probably looking for scarves first, so probably find silk scarf, put scarf. Can't spell scarf, and I'll do / bandana. So what you want to do, you want to have your product description ready, because people go to your site and if it's no product description, then you just don't look official. So this is a 100% silk. We're going to put a scarf here. I just thought about it. Scarf. I'll do / bandana. All right. And again, we looking at search engine optimization. You want stuff to stand out. So I'm going to copy this. Right, this is what I learned in my digital media class. Copy that, and I want this to stand out. So that's going to stand out. This is probably going to be a H1, so that's going to be a header, the title. It's going to be a H1 header. This I want to be like a H2 header. I want this to stand out. So I want this to be more than that. So I'll put this H2 heading. All right, so I'll make it much larger so it can be found in search. Silk scarf. Make it easier to search in Google. So I'm going to copy this as well here under features. And I want that to be H2 as well. Silk. Yeah, I'll do silk scarf. Features. All right, and I'll do it here as well. I'll do silk. So when people are searching for it, they can find it. And again, I'll make it H2. Yeah, guarantee it doesn't have my keywords in there. So I can do Bay Essentials. So if someone's searching for Bay Essentials, they'll find us. Essentials. Guarantee. All right, make that H2 heading. And Audio Mulberry Silk today. Experience fashion and silk for yourself. All right. So we got our product description. You want that. You got to have your product title. The media. You want your photos. So I have photos of my product. You can take the photos yourself, or you can reach out to your manufacturer and see if they can send you some photos of the product, or you can take them yourself. All right. So I'm going to add my files. I have blue, right? And I'm going to open it. You can do multiple files at once. This one is my favorite picture for it. All right. Pricing. So we was going to sell it at $25. So $24.99, but we're going to sell these at $19.99. So what this does, the pricing, it'll look like a sale, right? Because I did want to sell them for $25, but to get people to buy them, like I just bought a sample amount of them. So to get people to buy it, I want to see it tested out at $19.99. All right. So you put the cost per item in here, and it'll break out your profit. So if you pay, say, $15 for them, it'll tell you how much profit you made. If you pay $10 for them, and make sure when you do it like this, right? Make sure when you do that, it'll tell you your margin, but make sure you account for shipping, right? When you bought it, don't just count for the cost of the product itself. The cost of the good itself accounts for taxes that you paid, the shipping costs, and all that. Continue selling when out of stock. I don't want to continue selling without a stock because I'm out of stock. You know, I don't want people buying stuff that we can't get to them in an amount of time that we need to. It is a physical product. I haven't weighed it yet, so I'm not going to actually go live right now with the product. So I'm not going to put my weight on there until I do weigh it. So I'm going to leave that blank for now. Include custom information for international shipping. I don't really ship internationally. I should really. We got a lot of international followers and stuff like that, so I should. And for variants, so I have multiple colors, right? Multiple colors. So let's say here, each of them the same sides, so I don't have to have a variation on sides. I told you it's the same color, different colors. The materials are the same. It's all 100% silk, and the styles are all similar. It's all a star-like pattern. So these stars patterns, all right, just different colors, all right. So the variants I'm going to put the variant on the colors, all right. And we have blue, green, tan, and white. Done. All right, and it has the variations. If I want to make some cost more than the others, we can do that. You can change you can change the amount that you have, right? So I can change 10, right? I have 20 of them, but I got to go do my inventory and count them up, see which ones I have. So again, I'm not going out publishing this right now, but I'm just updating the website. So I could say how many I have available. That way, when it's like here, when you say continue selling without a stock, it'll stop selling them for you. All right. All right, I don't have that information. And here, this is very important too. So we have 100% pure mulberry silk scarf bandana. All right. And this, you can edit this, right? Normally, this just pulls from here. So I'll probably just pull the same thing. But you want it to be SEO, again, SEO optimized. So you want something in here that doesn't just talk, right? See, it's just talking, and then it finishes. So you want it to finish, like really finish, have a period, and not be discontinued here. And you want it to say what you actually want it to say. So 100% per mulberry silk scarf. I don't want all that in there. I don't want the whole page in there. Probably just want this 100% mulberry silk, because that's what people are looking for. Scarf bandana is the perfect way to add a touch of fashion to your wardrobe, made from the finest silk. Move luxurious touch from the next scarf here. So that's exactly what I wanted to say. It's at less than 120. Now do visit. There's not enough characters. We good. So we good. There's not enough characters remaining. All right, and this website will be down there. So I can just go ahead and save this page and not publish it. Oh, product type. I have pillowcases in there. I want to say scarf, right? I could also do bandana. This is apparel accessories. If you could do, let's see, bandana. All right, tags, scarf, headscarf, bandana. So when people come to our site and they're looking for a scarf or bandana, we know what they're looking for, or they can find what they're looking for. Vendor is us, so we don't really got to change that. Bay Essentials, theme, default product, and we're done. So again, this is an unsaved product, so I'll go ahead and click save on that. And this will put our product, it's not really published yet, or it's under status of active. So if I want to just change it to draft, it's no longer active. All right. And I can preview the product in the store. So again, this one I change it from for $25 to $20, and you can pick which color you want: green, tan, white. Right. So right now it says sold out because I didn't put in a number on there. Right. When I was looking at the inventory, I got to count them up. So I could go back, change it. I ain't going to waste y'all time right now, but y'all saw it, and it's not showing. So I can change this. All right. And you can see, people can see, oh, I want the blue one. I like the green one. Green photos, the tan one, white, right? All right. And this is what it looks like. Bay Essentials Guarantee. That's the page. People can add reviews, and you can share it. It's not posted yet, right? So once I post it and make it public, you should be able to see it. All right. So that's all I have for right now. Any questions you have regarding business or starting a Shopify store, anything like that, just give me a call or send me a message wherever you see this. If it's on Facebook or if it's on YouTube, just reach out and ask your question, and I'll make a video on it, or reach out to you and I'll give you a response. So talk to you. This I got to change. This is a little bit more bold than the other one, but I'll talk to you then this, and we'll just make the adjustments as necessary. But always check your website, make sure everything's good, and I'll talk to you guys. All right. Thanks for watching. Again, this is behind the scenes of Bay Essentials, but it's really grind time. So it's off-duty grind, and this is what I do my off time. So in order for me to make content, I'll just show you guys directly what I do day to day. So I'll talk to you guys, and thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you soon. Bye.